everyone, this is my review of this digital wall clock. This digital wall clock is very large and bright, and you can pretty much see it across the room. It comes with a remote, and it has a AC power cord because it does plug into the outlet. It doesn't use the batteries except for retaining its memory. It does have Bluetooth capabilities to connect to your phone, so you can set the date and time automatically, or you can do it manually if you want. You can control all the different functions that this wall clock has with the remote. Turn it on and off. Turn on the connection for the Bluetooth for connecting to your phone. Accessing your settings so you can set the language and set your date, time, month, year. If you like to set to something specific, or you can just hook it up to the Bluetooth and let your phone automatically do it. You can preset 2 different alarm times and turn them on and off with the remote. Also, you have about 25 different alarm sounds that you can cycle through to see which one is your favorite. It even has a timer feature that you can use to start time, stop time, and reset it as well. You can switch it between a 24-hour clock or a 12-hour clock or military time to standard time. I also could switch the temperature between Fahrenheit and Celsius. You can adjust the brightness of the display up and down with the remote, and also the volume. This is a pretty awesome wall clock with a lot of features, and I hope this review helped. And as a bonus, I'm going to run through all 25 alarm sounds if you'd like to hear them.